Alright guys, today's episode has some really cool stuff. We're gonna reunite with our old friend Salomondrin.
4 years. You guys realize
Has it been
this?
4 years?
It's been 4 fucking years.
4 years.
It's crazy. And your place, congratulations.
You guys know we started our YouTube channel. When he had his YouTube channel, one of the original car channel guys, we had a lot of fun with his new McLaren 769 LT. You'll see we made a whole skit out of it. Check out his channel too. He's back on YouTube. Also, we have a amazing Brabus Widestar G63. We call it the Hellstar Widestar because it is belonging to our good friends over at Hellstar, the clothing apparel company. Really cool colorway, so hope you guys enjoy that. We're also got a Diablo VT in that we need to change the clutch on, and the clutch is a full engine out job, so we are trying to figure out all the logistics of it, and we are going to do that job in a later episode, so stay tuned. Alright guys, the Hellstar Widestar G63 Brabus 700 right here. You guys saw this previously on the channel. It was only done in the wrap and the wheels, and now we have added all the Brabus Widestar goodies, starting with hood, carbon fiber. We got the top roof LED carbon fiber. We have the full Widestar, which is the front bumper, the flares, all the lighting, LEDs on the bottom of the bumper, Brabus illuminated logos on the sides of the fenders, and all the running boards have lights in them now. We got the front B, of course, over here too. The really awesome part about this car is that it's not just a blue and black car. We left a bunch of chrome on this vehicle. The front grille has a bunch of chrome. The wheels are brushed silver. The emblems on the side are chrome. The rear Brabus emblem, the 700 emblem, chrome. So we went with that theme. We have a bunch of carbon fiber, blue, and chrome on it. I think it's really badass. This is now complete. I know you guys are used to seeing, you know, the regular colored Brabus Widestars, but I think this one is really fun and unique with the Hellstar wheels. We even have a Hellstar logo illuminated from the door, which I will try to show you here. It's daytime now. At night, obviously, it's significantly brighter, but we got the Hellstar logo, as this is owned by one of the Hellstar owners, which is a huge streetwear brand. Check him out, great friend of ours. But yeah, we could do all of this. It's got the Hellstar logos on the RDB0 wheels as well, so completely customized to the customer's preference. Anything you guys need, buy a Turbo 700.
Hey, you want some chicharrones?
I had chicharrones.
Go buy some chicharrones.
No más chicharrones.
Why?
No más.
Chicharrones?
Yeah, chicharrones. He likes chicharrones.
Yeah.
He's scared because he does. He go to the gym. No, he like the other day like this. No, he's scared because he do lift.
Oh, the gym?
I
Yeah.
don't need all that greasy junk.
Look, mira.
Oh, it's all air. It's all air.
Yeah. Mamado.
But tell your fans to send you a whole pound of chicharrones.
Oh man, yeah, we can do that. We can use the chicharrones. It's a very come over here to RDB. So you have to bring chicharrones. Hey, not for me. They like too much over there in the back. He like it, but right now he's shy because it's in camera. Right, Bato?
Sí, señor.
Órale.
All right guys, something very special here at RDB today. We have a 1995 Diablo VT in this beautiful red color. It's the traditional red color from Ferrari with tan interior, so this is as traditional as it gets for Ferrari. What a sick car, honestly. This is nostalgic for a lot of us guys in my generation, because this was the Lamborghini. One of my good friends at school even had one of these cars in blue color, and I just go nuts over it. So this is sick. It's here because the clutch is toasted. There is no clutch literally on this car, so it does not drive. It does start. It sounds beautiful, sounds super healthy, but no clutch. We might do the clutch job on it. We're talking to the customer. They are friends of ours as well. They just picked up this car, and it came with no clutch. So this is an engine out job. The engine has to come out with the transmission to do the clutch. So very big job. But yeah, it deserves it. Such a sick car. It's got the headlights that obviously open and close, and it's got the really sick original Diablo wheels right there. So really cool. Let's go ahead and open up the car. Obviously Lambo doors, stays up, which is pretty rare for older Lambos, but tan interior with some red piping. Look at the steering wheel, that's right there, 1995. Look at the manual shifter, really, really cool. This and the old Ferraris, the interiors are really, really dope. This is something I would want to own in the future for sure. Probably my most favorite part about this car is the rear end. Look at these tail lights right here, red, orange, really, really sick. Look at this wing. It's literally the nicest sized wing I've seen. I mean, they should be putting these wings on a lot more cars in this exact size. This is a very, very nice rear spoiler. Rear bumper, old school, has these flexible little rubbers right there, makes it look really cool. And it's got obviously the quad tips down there. So really, really cool car. And let's start it up.
Taught me how to do it. So much easier, but I still
Digital?
miss, yeah, with this.
Yeah.
But I still, it's so much. I feel I missed the experience.
Feels safe.
I missed the experience standing in line.
Waiting
Yeah,
with all the other people.
it's awesome.
There's other people there?
Those are
In
shit
line?
by the bank.
No
Hey,
shit.
chicken Mongolian beef?
Sure.
You should take me one day.
You've never been to a bank?
Not inside.
You've never been inside a bank?
No.
I haven't been inside of a bank for like 5-6 years.
You guys have a problem. You guys have a problem. How the have you been inside a bank?
Why would you stand in line? Everything's on your phone.
I don't have to leave. I don't
He's
have
just
to
old
drive.
school.
It's fun being inside a bank.
Hitting the tail or what?
All right, you guys. We have 3 URUS wide body kits that we're doing. So currently we're preparing one of them in here. It's gonna be painted.
Are we playing a game?
Huh? What?
Are we playing a game?
No. What game?
Pin the tail.
I don't know what's happening. No one's doing anything. That guy works hard. See?
Awesome. This used to be a car dealership, wasn't it?
Private car dealer.
This is where I bought my SLR back in the day.
There's a lot of history in this building, so it's
I bet. This is incredible, guys. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank
Do you have like 30 other locations too?
Just one.
Just one? And
Trying to get like you.
one another one, you mean?
No, we just have one.
This is one? I just leave for a few years and you guys
Yeah,
fuck everything
no,
up?
Stay here, we can get those jobs.
You
This
get
is the
a McLaren that's faded wrap.
That's right. You see what I mean? You see what I mean? No need for it. And by the way, this guy not only ordered this fucking crazy car like this and waited for it, but he also wrapped it for me.
Oh, clear
He
rod?
did- Yeah.
I can see it. I see all the little.
Oh, come on. Come on. I just got here, Vic. This is my first time in like 4 years and I'm already getting you're already getting violent with
What
me.
is this? It starts with an F. The blue color, right?
I know. I call it.
Yeah.
I call it light blue and dark blue.
And something in the middle.
Yeah, and the in between.
Navy, purple.
And the in between.
It's nice. It's beautiful. So just that. We're gonna take that out and make a sticker.
Well, I don't know if you want to take that out. You want to leave that and put something on top, or you want to...
What'd you do last time?
Last time he didn't have it there because this is an LT. But I honestly think if you can take those off and give them to me, because they're on top of the wrap.
Other way is if I could find a 9 off of another car.
You're gonna find
We can find a 6.
No.
Oh yeah, we can find a 6.
Well, a 6 is a 9, dude.
We need you here.
Yeah, I got you. That's what I'm over.
Order 2 new emblems and get the 6s and.
Very smart.
They need to look factory.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah.
So after debating all the mods, all we're doing is changing the 5 to a 9, so we could rename this car the 769 LT.
Quality work, my ninja.
That's good.
Would you look at that?
Damn! You did it. How many horses more? 4?
4, exactly 4.
Exactly.
And to the wheels, by the way. There's no wasting anything.
The wildest pizza delivery vehicle.
Oh shit.
Only 10 of these were made in
What
the
the fuck is that?
1980s, and several were lost.
Okay. Lost where? In the trash?
0 to 60 was a wild 63 seconds. You put like a motorcycle engine in it now and you f shit up.